In this video, we'll be teaching you how to add roles on Discord. Discord uses roles to organize server members and customize their permissions. To add a role on Discord, right-click on your server icon, then click on Server Settings, then click on Roles. In the middle of the Roles page, there is a large blue button that says Create Role. Click on that. You can now give your role any name you want, as well as assign it a color. For this example, let's call this role Moderator and assign it the color red. Next, we get to pick what permissions this role has. You can use these preset permissions now, or go to the advanced options later. For now, let's use the basic. We can also quickly add users to the role here, or do it later on the full page. Your new role is now created. You can see a list of roles by going back to the roles page. If you want to remove one of these roles, click the three dots on the top right, and then finally delete. To adjust permissions in more detail, click the edit icon next to the role in question. Then on the top, click Permissions. As it's a moderator, let's give this role the ability to ban, mute, and move members. You can give or remove whatever permissions you want. Make sure to save your changes before exiting. To assign these roles to a member, go to Settings and then Roles once more. On the far left towards the bottom, click on Members. Hit the plus sign next to which member you want to add the role to, then click the role you want to assign. Their color and title will change according to the role. To remove it, click on the three dots to the right of the name, mouse over roles and uncheck that box. Now you know how to add and remove roles to Discord, adjust their permissions, and assign them to members.